Hey guys, it's Rondé and I'm back with another video. So as you can see by the title, this is my BMT packing list and I will be shipping in 3 days. So here's a duffel bag that I'm going to be taking. It is a Nike duffel bag. I literally take this everywhere with me. I've had it because I played sports in college. So yeah, I wasn't going to buy another bag. I hope they don't say anything because it has writing on it. But we're going to start off with some compression shorts. I think I have about 6 or 7 pairs of compression shorts. Most of the things that I did find I got from TJ Maxx, and as you can see, these compression shorts were $12.99. They did have some cheaper ones, but I like how these fit better. So I think I have about 3 or 4 of those, the New Balance brand. And then I had a lot of friends who helped me out, and they purchased these off of Amazon. They're okay. I just don't really like how thick they are, so I'm not bringing as much of them as I was given. But yeah, then we're moving on to sports bras. So I have about 10 sports bras. I will be going on summer schedule, so I know I'll be taking 2 showers a day, but that won't last too long. So these gray and pink ones right here was in a 2-pack that came from TJ Maxx. It was only $10. So that's 2 sports bras for 10. They're very basic. Yeah, all the sports bras that I do have, they all came with padding, but I ended up taking them out because I did not like how they felt. And I like how compact they felt without the padding in them. So these were the ones that were given to me off of Amazon as well. These are really comfortable. They literally look exactly like the ones that I got from TJ Maxx as well, and they feel exactly the same. The material on the front is just a little smoother, but they're super comfortable. But here I am counting them. But yeah, so I have 10 total of the sports bras. And then we're going to go into the next item, which is underwear. So I have 16 pairs of underwear. I know that sounds like a lot, but I'm a female, so hey, it is what it is. I got these from Walmart, and it's literally just the hang pack of I want to say these are either bikini or hipster underwear with the band. Literally a pack. I got 2 packs of those. They were in a pack of 8, and I just put them all in the Ziploc bag to make it look neat. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear the white ones. I'm probably taking those out because I don't know how I feel about white underwear, and I might just bring a couple of my own, but I definitely will be taking 16 pairs of underwear total. So here I have 2 pair of jeans. This first one is from American Eagle. They're basic jeans, super stretch, and they're really soft. When I'm going, I look at the weather, it's still 100 degrees in Texas, but they're comfortable. They almost feel like jeggings, so yeah, I'm taking those. And then I have these like casual pants that I purchased from H&M a while ago. They're super comfortable as well. They give me like that jegging feel, and they're really, really soft, so I feel like I'll be more comfortable in those. I am bringing a pair of leggings as well. I was told that leggings are okay as long as you have a t-shirt that will basically cover your butt area. So here I have some hair products that I put in these travel containers. I have a moisturizer, a hair lotion, and some hair gel. I'm very picky about my hair products because I am natural and I have super thick hair. Us people with thick hair, we know how we are about our hair products, okay? So I put some in there. And then I have this soap dish that has a bunch of bobby pins, hair ties, and headbands. I usually don't use hair ties because they tend to pop, so I just use elastic headbands and double tie them, and yeah, they last a super long time, and I can stretch them out to their potential. And then these hair ties here, they're like a stretchy cloth material, so they're really comfortable and they'll be good for using making my bun. Then I have 2 type of bobby pins. Well, I have bobby pins and then I have hair pins. I'm not even sure if I'll be using them like that, but yeah, I got them just in case. So here's my sock bun. I found it off Amazon. It was maybe like $1 and some change, so I'll definitely be using that one. Then I have Kleenex because y'all, I have allergies and I don't know how Texas is about to treat me, so yeah. And then I have toothbrush, which is full size. You can fly with anything. I believe it's 3.4 ounces, but on the safe side, just do 3 ounces, and that's 2.9 ounces, so it'll be great for flying. And then I have a toothbrush holder. It has the round edges, but I was told from someone who is in basic training at this moment that toothbrush holder is perfectly fine and he had no issues. So I have some Q-tips here that I got these from Target in their travel section. And then I have 2 face washes. Y'all, my face is so oily, so I'm gonna make time to be scrubbing my face because I don't got time for it to be breaking out. And then I have a full size deodorant as well because it is under the ounces to fly. So just grab a full size deodorant, girl. Don't even worry about it. And then I have a small lotion that I got from Target. That's the only place that I found it that was under 3 ounces as well. And then I have some baby wipes. Can't go wrong with those. And yes, y'all, I have 3 conditioners because I am so picky about my hair products. 3 hopefully will be enough. And then I have 2 shampoos as well from the same brand. I'm very picky about what I put in my hair, guys. I have 2 body washes. I got these from Target. They were a couple dollars. And then I have these exfoliating gloves. I heard they're a whole lot better than a loofah, and I got those from Walmart for $1. So I was gifted with 2 packs of razors, different brands. I think I'm going with the ones on the left. Yeah, those will be better probably, but I might end up taking both. I'm not sure yet. And then, just bag tampons, whatever. And I do have this basic Casio watch that I got from the BX. It was about $9. They do have this at Walmart as well, so I'm gonna try to put the link down below. It also does tell standard time and it tells military time. So if you're like me, still trying to learn military time, this would be a great watch to be wearing before you go to basic. And then I also have this small thing of Vaseline right here just to keep my lips moisturized because that Texas heat's serious. That's all for my packing list, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.